The Know Your Team survey app is a great way to build stronger teams, as it allows you to understand your employees as people, their interests, their life experiences, and what motivates them. Here we're going to go through how to install a Know Your Team app template from our store, how to edit this template, how to adjust permission types, and finally, how to launch your survey. So first of all, open up any workspace, create a new app, store template, search for Know Your Team, add this to your account, and then select the workspace you'd like this in. Install template. This template comes pre-loaded with 5 open-ended questions ready for your teams to answer. You can leave it exactly how it is or completely customize this template to suit your business needs. To edit your Know Your Team survey, go to Template, then Edit Template. You can edit a pre-existing element by going to the right-hand side of the screen, clicking the 3 dots that appear, and then Edit Element. Make your changes, and then make sure you click the blue Save button. You can duplicate an element by again going to the right-hand side of the screen, clicking the 3 dots, and then Duplicate Element. To add an element or section, either go to the bottom of a section or the template, click the button. Here I'm going to add a section for the feedback, and I'm going to add an element which is going to be a rich text area for the employees to add some feedback. To reorder an element within a section, go to the left-hand side of the screen and use the toggle to slide it up and down. To reorder elements between sections, you need to go to the right-hand side of the screen, click the 3 dots again, and then change section. Permissions allow you to have complete control who can edit, view, or create apps within your PeopleGoal account. To adjust these permission types, scroll up to Settings, then scroll to Permissions and then Expand. Here, if you click the Explain Permission Types, you get a better understanding of what each permission type entails. Or you can go straight to Configure Specific Permissions. Here you can set app-wide permissions, relationship permissions, team permissions, or specific user permissions. Here I'm going to select a specific user permission. I'm going to start with Jenny, adjust her permission type to Create Only, and then Save Changes. Next, we will go through how to launch your Know Your Team survey. One way you can do this is to go into Settings, open up the web form, enable the web form and save your changes. The web form generates a link that will take your employees to a web page where they can fill out the survey. However, we advise you to launch your survey in a named format. To do this, go to App. Here, click the new Know Your Team survey. You can either create a Know Your Team survey for a specific user or entire teams of users. Here, we're just going to do it for a specific user. We're going to pick Jenny and then create a Know Your Team survey. Here's the survey we just created for Jenny. A great feature of PeopleGoal is its schedules. This allows you to send out your survey in an automated process at a future date or even on a reoccurring schedule. To set this, go to the bottom left-hand side of your screen and click Add, then Schedule. Here a pencil icon will appear. Click it and then you can fill out your description will be displayed on the dashboard, and then click Add Event. Here you can set a date for the survey to be sent out, either immediately or a future date. At the bottom of the screen you'll see the Event Reoccurs toggle. Turn this on for a reoccurring survey. Here I'm going to set one for an annual survey for your employees to keep themselves up to date. Now your survey is underway, a great feature of PeopleGoal is its Data tab. This allows you to use the information you gain from your employees in your HR process. To do this, go to Data. Each row in the data table represents an item created by a user, and each column is the different elements they have filled out. PeopleGoal's chart builder is very flexible for your business needs. However, I'm just going to briefly go through how to make a simple pie chart. To do this, go to Chart, then New Pie Chart. Here, go to the Edit icon. I want to see the percentages of survey statuses that are complete. Save changes.